What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to be talking about NIO. This stock has been in pretty much the public eye for a little bit. We're going to be talking about pretty much how you can make money on it, how you can swing trade this stock, what I see for the future of this company, and yeah. All right, so let's jump right into this. So first we're going to look at the technicals, and that is pretty much price movements, what I see like support and resistance lines, how it reacts to moving average lines. Then we're going to be talking about the business behind it. Then we're going to compare it to another business. So that's this is what this video is going to be about. So stick around, guys. All right, so looking at the stock, this was a recent IPO. So that's pretty much, IPO is just pretty much allowing the public to invest in the company. And this thing caught a ton of attraction and went from, a low of 535 and hit a high of 380 in literally less than 3 days. So this thing more than doubled its money in value. And literally it was an incredible move. And then obviously that was more of an IPO breakout. Then we had some sell-off, which is very common when a stock moves that much, and it sold off a little more, which is expected. And then it found some beautiful support here at 587. 587 is a very important number here, just because that's where you can actually buy in the stock and get a pretty good value for it. And then it bounced at 587 and pushed all the way up to roughly 839, 840. Hit a high of on this past candle of 856. Then it's starting to sell off. So pretty much just looking at this stock, we can see that it really is not affected by moving average lines as much as price points, which is important. So now we know for next time that there's a good short opportunity at 841 and a good long opportunity at 587. So in looking at that, we could set stops, if we got in right below it at, $8.72 if we're going short, and probably 556, 560 if we go long. And this is roughly a 45% move if we catch it at peak bottom to peak top. So realistically, we could probably get around 20% if we capture it right. So, looking at this, it's a very easy stock to understand, and, it's not too complicated. So many new traders, or new investors, this is a perfect example of support and resistance lines. So pretty much this stock is a electric car company that is based out of China. It's been compared to the Tesla of China, and Tesla is an electric car company based out of the United States, founded by Elon Musk. Tesla's been in the news like crazy just because he is kind of a public icon, I would say, when it comes to pretty much anything, anything revolutionary, he's kind of always involved. So that's why a lot of people like to invest in some of his companies, is because he likes to do different things, which is cool. But NIO is a very, very similar car company, because not everyone can replicate the success of Tesla. But NIO could be the first, guys. They could pull it off. So this is obviously a recent IPO, and it's just been crazy. It's been very, very volatile, the stock, which means it's been moving a lot. It's been moving up and down. And where do I see the stock's value? I believe the stock's value is probably at maybe $7 in between both these price points. So realistically, you should be able to get a fair price on this stock pretty easily, guys. But so pretty much the goal for this company is to have more of a supercar mentality with electric vehicles. They do offer sedans and some mid-size SUVs for, I'm not sure what the price point is, but their supercars are incredible looking. That's when they released, that was on their second day of their IPO. That's what caught a lot of traders and investors because they wanted to see where this company is going. So, I waited because I never really invest in the IPO, only for like technical breakouts. So, I did take a little bit of a scalp on here for probably like 50 cents or something before the sell-off. But yeah, and then once I found out that there is some support, at 587, I was watching it. I went long here at roughly $6, and now I am up roughly $1.44 per share, which is pretty nice. Yeah, so I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hold some shares. I did sell some. I made roughly like $3,000 just by selling up on top here at roughly the $8 mark. So now I want to see where this company is gonna go in the next couple of years. So I'm still holding, like 200 shares, just because I want to see where it's gonna go. But yeah, so this car company is just, I think that they're gonna have some problems with production, same as Tesla, guys. I think NIO will be around for a while. They have another thing. They have when they sell their cars, it is through its own sales network. It's called NIO houses, which they're not just showrooms, but they're also like clubhouses, and it's an actually pretty cool environment if you think about it. So that is a little different than NIO that I like, and I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, so NIO is pretty much a new generation of kind of consumers, and they're changing the field, same as Tesla. Tesla stock is probably, I'm not even sure what it's at now. We can probably pull it up here, but I think this stock's going to be around for a while, and I think people can definitely make some money just by trading it with ease, guys. So, very similar. They have a nice support or nice resistance here, pretty strong support down here. Making good trades, guys. That's all it's about. Yeah, so that is my thought on NIO. I think that they're changing the field of a couple of areas where it's gonna in the long run, it's gonna be pretty much revolutionary. They have supercars. They're gonna be very similar to Tesla, but they're gonna have more features like that clubhouse, which is cool. So when it's like kind of like a resort almost. You buy a car and you can go visit there. You can have social interactions with other people. You can kind of have more of a car community type, So, you can be surrounded by people that have the same car, and you guys can talk about it. So if you guys are car guys, I'm sure that would be pretty cool. But yeah, so that is my thought on NIO stock in the NIO company. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please drop a big subscribe down below, and please like this video, and we will do more like this. So take care, everyone, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the week. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys take care.